Baby red deer growth factors and exosomes. They're the first ones on TikTok talking about it, so there are lots of questions, and I want to be able to point you guys to the video, so we'll keep it pinned. The first question, if you're just trying to find out where to buy them, it's a company called Callison Professional. There's a coupon code and a link up in my bio. The coupon code is Christina15 if you want to get it for 15% off. Let's talk about all the questions that you might have. Number one, where do these cells come from? Well, they're baby red deer cells, and they're sourced from the umbilical cord. Deer are free range. They go out, they have their baby. The vet comes out, gathers the placenta, and then the cells are extracted from the umbilical cord. No animals are harmed in this entire process. What does the serum do? It's a patented formula and it encourages cell replication. It's been proven to increase density and your body's ability to make its own hyaluronic acid. As a result, you'll see it address fine lines, wrinkles, tone, texture. Overall, your skin condition will look so much plumper and so much healthier. You'll actually see a gorgeous radiance to your skin. Why do they smell a little funny? Because it is actives that come from the umbilical cord lining. So they will have an interesting smell, and they might even smell differently from batch to batch. Are they safe? That's a great question. I actually specifically picked these red deer because there's no known disease transmission from the red deer to humans. How often do you apply them? They recommend 2 to 3 times a week. In full disclosure, I've been using them daily with remarkable results. What step of the skincare routine do you use it in? If you're using it in the Chris method, you're using it in the impact step. They recommend that you use it right after exfoliation. That way you are cleaning your skin, which will naturally hydrate it. You are exfoliating, which will bring your skin down to an acidic level, which will enhance absorption. And then how much do you use? I use a full dropper full. I use 3/4 on my face and 1/4 on my neck. Make sure you get those eyelids and the upper lip. What is the science? And among the first to be talking about this on TikTok, so there will be a lot of tentativeness relative to the science. So I want to show you what studies have been done on these exosomes. This sounds a whole lot like the collagen story from just a few years ago when nobody believed collagen actually made a difference. The exploratory research on this has actually been going back since 2014. By 2019, they actually realized that they had a novel drug working on patent protection and formulation. Clinical studies and findings started to get published in 2020. And they're consistently expanding the research to find the effectiveness and use of these exosomes. Is the science new? Yes. Is it the wild, wild west? No. So I hope this is helpful. There are so many that have started using these products, so I would love for anyone who's using these products to help the community by putting their experiences in here. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. We'll talk to you soon.